Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Sort.
What does the dictionary say?
The process of determining the answer to a problem, and the answer itself.
Math rap.
To sort is to sort of organize by type, alphabet, value, or size. Sort through, sort out, sort this from that, sort to show the difference of where things are at.
Math rap.
Do you sort of understand this math term? Explain. List the sorts of music styles you like from pretty good to best of all. What are your thoughts on sorting things? Name 10 things that can be sorted. When you do laundry, what are the different sorts of ways you can sort your clothes? List at least 3 ways. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!